Rocket. These guys have been in the news a fair amount lately, and Rocket RKT, that's Mr. Dan Gilbert, that's his company. He is buying Mr. Cooper, COOP, and that stock is moving up strong today. It's a $9.5 billion deal. You might recall, Pete has been pounding the table for there are going to be a lot of deals this year. Well, this is just one more example.
It's only 9.4 billion, John. I mean, that's all it is. and these things keep on happening. And yet I hear guys on television all the time going, well, you know, they're really slowing down on some of this. I don't see that at all. I see some massive takeouts that are already occurring this year. This is another one of those. As a matter of fact, immediately, instantaneously accretive. So you've got to like that. I think Dan Gilbert has done a phenomenal job, except for one thing. His own company, the stock itself, John, just kind of keeps getting hit and hit and hit. And I can't really fully explain it. I know that they've got an incredible, you know, what they've got in that area with mortgages is something close to 11% of the entire country just from Rocket. So pretty impressive numbers when you look at that. But the cash burn that they've got is pretty ugly. The cash burn for Rocket is almost $4 billion. So that would be something where I'd look at it and go, well, that's a little concerning. I got to, you know, check this thing out. The stock is down. Usually you're going to be down after a big buy like this, but it is. And it's trading right around 12 bucks or something like that. It's interesting. There's a hell of a lot of shorts in Rocket, John, about 20%. So that's a sizable thing. At some point, if they can get this thing turned, and like you said earlier, if that 30-year mortgage starts to adjust a little bit, there could be a lot of activity for Rocket, especially with the presence that they've already got, especially with this acquisition.
And that's so important because if you have a 4% mortgage or even lower than that mortgage, you are struggling to justify. Yeah, Pete holds up two fingers like 2%. You're struggling to say, I can't move. I can't move my mortgage with me. So how can I move? Because if I bought the same quality house, I'd be paying twice as much on a monthly basis for my mortgage. That dog don't hunt. So getting down is something that the president wants to see. I think something all of us would like to see. And that'll free up an awful lot of cash in a lot of places, Pete, because I think people would be moving around more if they could, but those mortgages aren't portable.